यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्या गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रिये चामृताय च. We were in the Varivarga meanings. So we'll continue the meanings of Varivarga for some time. Today internet connection is very slow, and I was able to log in only after 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I'm trying from lot of. So let us see what we can cover today. Whatever we cover, we'll just try to see. I will just put somebody as panelist so that whether they can hear me or somebody, they can always tell that. Kalyani, I will put her as panelist. Now, in Varivarga, we have come till Nadi Sarit. As I told you, we will discuss some of the meanings of the Sinanadi. Okay. Anybody interested in starting the synonyms of Nadi? Kalyani, can you start?
Nadi, Sarit, Tarangini.
Kalyani, are you able to hear me?
Yes sir, I can hear.
Shriyateva?
Shriyate. Nadi, Sarit, Tarangini, Shaivalini, Tatini, Hradini, Dhuni, Srotaswati, Dvipavati, Sravanti, Nimnaga, Apaga. These are Nadi synonyms, sir.
How many words?
12, sir.
How many words? 12.
12, sir.
All these are Strilinga or Vishlinga?
All Strilinga, sir.
Very good. Next line. Ganga.
Ganga, Vishnupadi, Janhutanaya. Janhutanaya, Suranimnaga, Bhagirathi, Tripathaga, Trisrota, Bhishma Suhu. These, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for Ganga, sir.
8 for Ganga, yes. Ganga Vishnupadi Janhutanaya because she came out of the years of Janhu Maharishi. Vishnupadi because she originated from the Vishnu's Pada. Vishnupadat Sambhutatvat Vishnupadi Uchyate. Suranimnaga is so Nimnaga is, what is Nimnaga, Kalyani?
I don't know, sir.
It is above only now. You only tell now. Shravanti Nimnaga Apaga.
Sir.
Nimnaga is river. Sura Nimnaga is divine river.
God's
the divine river. So the Ganga Nadi flows in 3 lokas: Patala Loka, Bhumi, and Sura Loka. So Bhagirathi because Bhagiratena sa avataritavati. Avataritatvat Bhagirathi. Evam because she was brought to earth by Bhagirata. Tripathaga Tripathaga is there, no? Tripathaga is she takes 3 paths. Yeah, that Ganga Alakananda somewhere there, she takes 3 paths. So that is why it is called Tripathaga. from the Gangotri. Afterwards, she goes into two parts. That is what she's called as Tripathaga. And Trisrotaha is in the Brahmaloka also. He is Tribihi Srotobihi. Tribihi Srotobihi Brahmaloke api prabhavati. Iti Trisrotaha. So, Bhishmasuhu, because Shantanoho Mahishi, she is a wife of Shantanu. She gave birth to Bhishma. That is why she is called as Bhishmasuhu. Okay, so Ganga, Vishnupadi, Janhutanaya, Suranimnaga, Bhagirathi, Tripathaga, Trisrota, Bhishmasurapi. So these are the names of Ganga given in the Amarakosha. There is a Ganga Ashtakam, there is a Ganga Ashtotram, Ganga Arati. So a lot of names are there, but 8 names are given in the Amarakosha. Next line.
We left the line, sir. Kulankasha Nirjarini.
You left that. Okay. So what? Why did you leave that? Okay. Kulankasha Nirjarini Rodha Vaktra Saraswati. Where is it?
Above Ganga, sir.
Okay. What does it mean?
Waterfall. Waterfall, sir.
So it is coming after Nadi Sarit only, no? So these 8 lines, no? Nimnamka Apaga is there. These 12 names are there. Kulankasha Nirjarini Rodha Vaktra Saraswati. Yes. Can I go to the next line?
Kalindi, Suryatanaya, Yamuna, Shamanasvasa, sir. 4 words for Yamuna.
So how many words for Yamuna?
4, sir.
Kalindi, Suryatanaya, Yamuna, Shamanasvasa. So Yamuna Nadyam. Then next, Reva.
Reva, Narmada, Somodbhava, Mekhala Kanyaka. These 4 words for Narmada river, sir.
Mekhala Kanyaka also. Reva, Narmada, Somodbhava, Mekhala Kanyaka. Very good. Next, Karatoya Sadanira.
Karatoya Sadanira Bahuda Saitavahini.
Karatoya Sadanira is in the Purana. There is one story. It says that when the Parvati's Kalyana was being done, then the water which was given for Kanyadana for Parvati became a river. Therefore, it is called as Karatoya. Karatoya refers to that river which came out of the water which was offered by Parvati's father to Shiva. So that is Karatoya. That is the Purana story. But generally, so that even in Kshiraswami Vyakhyana he says, Gauri Vivahe Shankara Karagalita Toya Jatvat Karatoya. So the water which came out of the the Kanyadana Jala during the Gauri Vivaha. It is Karatoya. And that it became a river. Sadanira. Now, where is that river? We don't know. Sadanira. What is Sadanira is also Karatoya. Both are synonyms. Karatoya and Sadanira are synonyms. Bahuda Saitavahini. So now what this Kartavirya Arjuna was there. There was one king called Kartavirya Arjuna. What did he do? He created a nadi, and that nadi is called as Saitavahini, because Sitavahi refers to that Kartavirya Arjuna. Sitavahi Pera Nivritta iti Saitavahini, the nadi created by Kartavirya Arjuna. And Bahuda, both are, it is a nadi Vishesha. Bahuda Saitavahini, and these both are referred to as synonyms. Let us see how. Saitavahini, the nadi created by Kartavirya Arjuna. Very important aspect. So next line is Shatadrustu Shutudrisyat. Shatadrustu Shutudrisyat. Next, can you tell that?
Shatadruhu is Shutudrihi.
Shatadru, Shutudri. These are names of a Nadi Vishesha. Another names of certain Nadis. Then Syat Vipashatu Vipat Striyam. Next one.
Vipasha and Vipat are of another river's names.
Yes, but they have a special characteristics. Why it is called Vipasha and Vipat is they can release you from the papas. Papa Vimochana Nadi ityartha. Vipasha. So it is said that these are Pasha Vimochani. Pasha Vimochani. Pasha Vimochani means the Pasha is the Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam. That we get tied up. We are tied up into this world. So this, by taking bath in these rivers, Vipasha and Vipat, we probably get released from the Pasha Vimocha, Pasha Vimochani, Pasha Vimochini, sorry, Pasha Vimochini in Kannada. So Pasha is refers to that bandhana. Next, Shono, next line.
Shonaha Hiranyavahaha. These two are another river's names.
Another name. Shonaha Hiranyavahaha, Hiranyabahuhu. Bahuhu. Hiranyabahu is also a Patabeda here. Shonaha and Hiranya. Shona Nadi. Hiranyabahu. Next. Kulyalpa Kritrima Sarit. Next.
Kulya
is a canal. So Alpa Kritrima Sarit. So a smaller canal, a smaller branch of a river which comes from the main river is called a canal, and that is called Kulya. Alpa Kritrima Sarit is the definition for it.
Sharavati, Vetravati, Chandrabhaga, Saraswati, Kaveri. These are names for Kaveri, sir.
No. These are names of different different nadis. Sharavati, Vetravati, Chandrabhaga. Chandrabhaga is in Pandaripur. Sharavati is in Karnataka. Saraswati Nadi is a Guptagamini Nadi. So different nadis are there. Kaveri, Saritonyascha, Saritaha is other rivers. Anyascha, Sambheda Sindhu Sangamaha. What is that Sindhu Sangamaha? There is one more line in Ranganatha Sharma book. Godavari, Bhimarati, Krishnaveni cha Gautami. There is one more line which has to be inserted. Again, all these are names of different rivers. So, Sambhedaha, Sindhu Sangamaha. So, you have something called delta. A river goes and joins the ocean. When the river is about to join the ocean, that portion before the ocean is called Sindhu Sangama, Sambheda. Sambheda is the portion where the river is joining the ocean. So, Sambhedaha Sindhu Sangamaha. Nadi Samudrayoscha Melake Melane Mela Sambaye Yaha Bhagaha Uchate Sa Sambhedaha iti Uchate. Sindhu is a common name used for Samudra also. It can be used for Nadi also. It can be used for Samudra also. Here it is in the context of Samudra. It is used. One second. Just. Till here we will stop for today. From tomorrow we will take up Dvayo, Pranali, Payasaha and all those things. Today internet connection is not very good. So that is why I am stopping here today. Any questions you can ask now? Open questions. Venkatragon sir.
Namaskara sir. Sir, there is Nada Nadi Madhye Bhedaha. That is not covered here. Nadam is something where the water falls on the west side to, from east it goes to the west and joins the ocean. And the one that drains from the east ocean is called Nadi, no? So that Bheda, Amarakosha is somewhere covered here, or I missed yesterday's class, so I just wanted to.
It is not covered, sir. So basically they have covered only the Nadis. So just for everybody's information, Nadi means, as per the Shastra definition, Nadi is Strilinga, and all the water bodies are rivers which goes and joins in the eastern side. They are called as Nadi. So Kaveri, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Sindhu, Godavari, all these are Nadis. Now Narmada and Tapti and other rivers which are going to the west and joining the western side of the ocean, they are called as Nadas. And Nada is Pullinga. Something which we have to take care. This is told in Saundarlahari. In Saundarlahari Shankara Bhashya, Shankara Stotra, Lakshmidhara Vyakya, Nada and Nadi. Nadashono Ganga. There is one sloka in Soundar Lahari. There he has, as Venkatraghavan Mahodaya, he said that this definition has been given there, and in some other shastras also it is told. But somehow
Dashakumar Charitam this comes, sir. The word pada may be used elsewhere. I think it is there in Dashakumar Charitam also. Danjana.
It has come. It comes many places. It comes. But somehow Amarasimha does not cover that.
Okay, sir. Dhanyavada.
Very good point. It was an important thing to cover. Venu Kosuri.
Hari Om Mahodaya. In the Shatadri river, can you tell me the...
I am unable to hear you, sir.
Hari Om, can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Unable to hear you, sir. No, sir. Hari Om.
Hari Om, can you hear me?
Partially I can hear you, sir. Tell me, sir.
Shatadru, Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, Rupa.
Shatadruhu. Shatadruhu. Shatadru is Ukaranta.
Ukaranta Strilinga.
Strilinga. Shatadru Shutudri. Ikaranta Strilinga is Shutudri. Shutudristomagam Satata Parushniya. There is one Imamme Gange. Shutudri is a river in the Vedas. In the Veda it comes. Imamme Gange Yamune Saraswati Shutudristomagam. So Shutudri is Ikaranta Strilinga. Shatadru is Ukaranta Strilinga. So Shatadru, Shatadravaha only. Only in Ukaranta Strilinga, what will happen is Ditiya Bahuvachana Shatadruhu, it will come.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Uttamam. Next, Jaladhar Vyas.
Jai Shri Krishna. This is a comment about Kartoya Nadi.
Karatoya Nadi. Tell
Yes.
me, sir.
It is in Bangar. And it used to be a very big river that flows into Ganga in what is now Bangladesh. But because the courses of the rivers have changed, now it is just only a small stream. But it is still there in Bangar, Bangladesh.
Very good, very good. Thank you for that information. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pancharadam, sir.
Hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you hear? Yeah. One comment on the Nada and Nadi. Nada is the river that goes and joins on the westerly direction, correct? So Narmada, then you have the Tapti. Tapti is called different ending. So it should be called Tapta or something. Now how about Indus River, Sindhu Nadi? Because it also joins on the westerly.
Sindhu, then that means it is also a Nada. If it joins the west, it is Nada only.
And then the Karatoyana Varbudu, I don't know, if you go to Madurai, they call the Vaihai River. You keep the hand down, the water spillage, it came out of the earth in order to quench the thirst of the guests.
Unable to hear you, sir.
Can you hear me? Yes? Can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you. Now I can hear you, sir.
No. Karatoya, in Tamil we can say Vaihai river. The story goes during the Meenakshi Kalyanam. there was shortage of water, so they asked them to put the hand on the earth, and the water sprang out of the the earth. That's how the Baigai River is there. Does it have any relevance to Karatoya? I guess you didn't hear me, did you?
I am unable to hear you. Today's audio is
That's
very bad.
That's okay. I will share this on an
I
email.
am unable to hear you. Maybe we
I'll
should
share it.
take it tomorrow.
And then on the same
Okay,
note,
or we should take it tomorrow, I think.
tomorrow I will send it. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha. Today's audio is very bad. Some of the scholars are of the opinion that Shatadru or Shutudri is actually Sutlej River. It is in North India. Sutlej River, Himachal Pradesh, and it flows down there. So Balam sir has given that comment. And Vipasha is Bias. Yes, Vipasha is Bias. Dhanyavadaha. We will close the class today because of poor audio. We will close the class now. Even if we talk, even my speech, I think you are all unable to hear or not, I don't know. But we will close the class here. In case we have to repeat today's class, we will repeat it tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।